Okay, hello student. Next part is continue proportion. Continue proportion is basically if three quantities are said to be in continue proportion, if the ratio between the first and the second quantities is equal to the ratio between the second and third quantity. That is A, B, C are in continue proportion. So if A is to B equal to B is to C, or you can write like this: A upon B equal to B upon C. Here the repeating term B is called the mean proportion between A and C, and the third term C is called the third proportion. We can write like this also: A is to B is equal to B is to C. That already we have written above. A is to B equal to B upon C. Then you will have to cross multiply. B into B is equal to A into C. So B into B is B square equal to AC, or you can say B equal to under root AC. Here B is a mean proportion. If they'll give you three terms and you'll have to find out the mean proportion, so directly you'll have to write B square equal to AC. Okay, so under root AC, B equal to under root AC. For example, find the mean proportion between 2 and 8. That means here A equal to 2 and C equal to 8. B we have to calculate. Let B is equal to X, or B itself you can write. B equal to under root AC. So B equal to under root 2 into 8. So B equal to under root 16. So B is equal to 4. Therefore, the mean proportion between 2 and 8 is 4. Same way, if we have to find out the third proportion, like find the third proportion of 15 and 45. That means let third proportion be X. So with the help of that continue proportion, in definition of continue proportion, mean of first and like ratio of first and second is equal to second and third. So I have written like this: 15 is to 45 is equal to 45 is to X. So again, 15 upon 45 equal to 45 upon X, then cross multiply 15x equal to 45 into 45, then just simplify this, you will get the answer. So X equal to 135. Therefore the third proportion of 15 and 45 is 135. Okay, thank you.